Everyone here today enjoyed yesterday. And even if you were working yesterday, when you came out of the building, you enjoyed, right? Now I ask, so what is it about yesterday that brings that kind of effervescent glow within us? Why is it that yesterday brought an uplifting sense of well-being? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, right? I think each of us has experienced it. And was it only the sun? Well, the sun had a lot to do with it. And, of course, there's newness all over. All over. Even the little leaflets in the color of yellow-green in the trees that are not quite that rich green yet. But it's coming. And we know it's coming. And we saw it yesterday. And we saw it today, too, on our way here. Even though it wasn't quite as bright today as it was yesterday, at least on the way in. But I see the sun looks like it's peeking through. So what is it about this time of year that brings a lightness to our step? It brings the possibility of an inner glow. Everything is renewed. The earth seems to be just bursting forth with new life. And it is. I mean, as soon as the crocuses come, we're ready. But they came and went a while back. And so we've been waiting and waiting. But now's the time. And you know something else? It's not only the time for the earth to renew itself. It's not only the time to see little bunnies. It's not only the time to hear the robins call, or to look up and to see the majestic raptors soar. It's not only the time to see people with fishing poles, and I'm not talking about ice fishing, but it's also a time that we can choose to renew ourselves. That would be different. But you see, each day is new. Each and every day, we can choose to begin afresh, new. We can choose to feel the way we felt yesterday. Even without the sun. We have been given that capability. It's up to us to choose how we feel, what our perspectives are about everything, how we view everything. We have free will. We can choose. So I ask you again, was it only the sun yesterday that brought a gladness to your heart? A little uplift in your step? joy so that your energy just kind of went up. And if it wasn't just the sun, then think about what it is. What else was there? Because the sun isn't around all the time. And yet, it is possible for us to feel joy inside when we're not outside. And it is possible for us to be outside and not feel it. So, think about what it was yesterday. What brings you joy? Can you actually put it into words? What makes your heart sing? And can you choose that? Can you choose that? So that you can choose joy. You can choose peace. You can choose serenity. You can choose calmness, a lightheartedness. You say, oh, I have so many troubles and this and that. We all have challenges. Every one of us has challenges. And not one of our worries is going to be fixed at this moment. Not one of them. Each of us, despite all of that, can choose a moment of peace. Each can choose joy in our heart. You say, how's that possible? I think you possibly did when the music wouldn't start earlier, remember? And we just kind of sat and we centered ourselves. And I'm willing to bet that some of you actually experienced a certain degree of serenity in that moment, or those few moments that we had when we did that. So it is possible. But see, the key is, when you leave here today, and you look around and you see the freshness, the newness of nature just bursting forth, that will serve, every bit of it will serve as reminders to each of us that we too can burst forth with newness, that we too can be at ease and just do it. We too can be at peace and know serenity. For us, it's a choice. But at this time of year, we have reminders all around us. We can't get away from it. It's all around us. So I leave you with peace and joy and beauty, which abounds